can't, but they motherfucking can.
I go over anything like ranch. Headed to my old hoes, bon voyage like I'm in France. Hey, now I eat hors d'oeuvres and get them served at my advance. Hey, fuck up my face, please and thank you in advance. Hey, I'm like, hey, yeah, you know the game. Ice all in my veins, bitch, ain't nothing changed. I got money in the bank, in a Roth IRA.